Also, in the new hire pack, you will find another useful document and very important, what is called on supply. The on supply is a document that is going to tell you what type of items you have to bring with you regarding your uniform. So for example, if you work in the bar or you work in the restaurant area, there are specific items that are going to be provided by the company. For example, if you wear a specific jacket with a specific color of the company or with the logo of the company or a bow tie, those items are going to be provided by the company. But when we're talking about neutral items, like for example, a white shirt, black pants, or a black skirt, this document is going to assist you with all the number of items you have to bring with you, how many pants, how many shirts, and you will also have to put a signature on this on supply document and also send to us, meaning that you read and that you are informed about this. You will get the possibility to access to this document before getting this assignment. As you can understand, in the moment you get in contact with your administrator, you can always request this document directly at the beginning of the process so that you can purchase, if you need to purchase items for your uniform, with a lot of time in advance and not wait till the last minute of getting your assignment. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about the last part of this process, which is the flight information that you will receive in order to go to the cruise ship on your first assignment.